Okay, y'all. So my daughter, she stays on the TikTok shop. They sent her this for promo, but she brought it to me because it matches my room. I'm so excited. I'm in absolute love with this big old rug. They got it off the TikTok shop. And yeah, well, she got it off the TikTok shop and gave it to me. But yeah, now y'all about to see what I be in my room doing when I'm just chilling around the house. So when you come in my room, you might catch me on my laptop working or, doing something that has to do with my content creation. I'm always trying to explore different avenues of how to expand my business on TikTok and other social media platforms. So yeah, I just decided to film a little bit of it today, you guys. And of course, I have to have my prime drink. I don't go nowhere without that prime drink. I am in absolute love with my bedroom. My space is so comfy and cozy to me. Like, I literally can stay in here all day. And that's just me showing love to some of my TikTok family. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Some of my favorite creators, I'm on my following list right now. That's the people that I follow. So, every now and then, I like to go on there and show love by liking the video. I do comment, but I do the comments and stuff from my phone. Yeah, and that's just me dancing to some of the sounds that everybody dancing and gigging to. And yeah, this is me. And look what's on the TV. It got to be me. Think positive. You have to think positive. Never give up on your hopes and dreams. Keep going and going and going until you cannot go anymore. I'm just vibing, like literally. I have so much content to film. I hope y'all like this.